In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator not sending code. If your Authenticator app isn't sending verification codes or approval prompts, the most reliable fix is to re-add Microsoft Authenticator as a sign-in method from your account, then remove the old device. You'll need a computer and the phone you want to use. On your computer, open a browser and go to office.com/apps. Sign in to your Microsoft account. After you're in, look to the top right, click your profile picture or initials, and choose View Account to open your account dashboard. From there, head to Security Info. This is where all of your sign-in methods live, like text messages, email, and Authenticator apps. Select Manage How I Sign In so you can add a fresh method. Choose Add another way to sign into your account, then pick Use an app. Your screen will display a unique QR code. Keep this page open. Now grab your phone and open the Microsoft Authenticator app. If this is a new install, complete the basic setup. In the app, tap Add Account, choose Work or School Account, and then scan a QR code. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it so the app can read the code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer. In a moment, the account links to your phone. You may see a quick test prompt or a verification number. Approve it to finish pairing. You should now see your Microsoft account listed in the Authenticator app, and codes or approvals will start appearing here. Return to the security info page on your computer. You'll see the new app method has been added. To prevent confusion and to keep your account secure, remove your old device or any outdated Authenticator entries from the list, leaving only the phone you just set up. At this point, you've refreshed your sign-in method, which resolves most cases where the Authenticator wasn't sending codes. A few quick tips to keep it smooth. Make sure your phone has a working internet connection for push approvals, allow notifications for Authenticator so prompts come through, and keep the security info page open until you've confirmed the new device is working. If the QR code expires, simply reload the page to generate a new one. That's it. You've successfully fixed Microsoft Authenticator not sending code by adding the app again and removing the old device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got you back into your account without any hassle.